Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Pest Tech. Spider infestations, while often harmless, can become a nuisance in homes and workplaces. Recognizing the signs of an infestation and implementing effective control measures are essential for maintaining a comfortable living environment. In this video, we'll explore various methods for identifying and controlling spider infestations. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video. Identification of spider infestations. Increased spider sightings in your home could signal a problem, especially if you're seeing more of the same species. Spiders breed quickly and hide in dark, moist places like basements, spreading throughout your home. If you're spotting spiders daily where they don't usually go, it might mean an infestation. Different spiders create different webs. Some make spiral orb webs, while others make tunnels with tripwires for catching prey. While most spiders are harmless, larger ones might bite if disturbed. Visible egg sacs around your home, especially in dark corners or cluttered areas, indicate a potential population explosion. These sacs look like small cotton balls surrounded by webbing. Unexplained bites could also suggest an infestation, especially if larger spiders are present. Number 4. Use natural repellents. You can use natural repellents like peppermint, vinegar, citrus oils, and cedar to keep spiders away. Mix these oils with water to make a spray. Then spray it around entry points and places where spiders often appear. This method is eco-friendly and doesn't require harsh chemicals. Using these natural solutions can create an environment that spiders don't like, helping you keep them away easily. Number 3. Do regular cleaning. Regular cleaning helps prevent spiders. Vacuum corners, under furniture, and behind appliances to remove webs, eggs, and prey. This stops spiders from making homes and prevents future infestations. Clean hard-to-reach areas often so spiders don't feel welcome. Keeping things tidy is key to keeping spiders away. Number 2. Use diatomaceous earth. Use diatomaceous earth to keep spiders away. Sprinkle it in places where spiders hide, like corners and behind furniture. It's safe for people and pets, but deadly for spiders. It's safe for humans and pets, but deadly for spiders and bugs. This natural substance is a green pest control option, staying active against pests without harming anyone but the pests themselves. Number 1. Seek help of professional pest control. If spiders become a big problem, it's a good idea to call nearby experts who can help get rid of them. They'll check the situation carefully and use special treatments to remove the spiders. These experts know how to set up a good plan to get rid of spiders and have the right tools to do it safely. When you use professional pest control services, you can feel better knowing that the spider problem will be taken care of properly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.